together to honor Don Steger. We had a total of 17 cars show up. We all went by the house. We did our social distancing and went a few laps around the block to honor him. His wife was very happy we did that. And after the event was over, we decided, well, to what level of social distancing can we continue and at the same time enjoy ourselves. So we have come here to Ruby's Cafe, and we are all maintaining the required 6 feet along with maintaining our proper...
That's the DeLorean stuff.
we have using the app or the phone number called in, and the people inside are very, very happy that we've come by today. This is one of the few exceptions where we can go ahead and do something like this. Ultimately, everybody, continue to stay safe.
Thanks, Ron. What's up, Chad?
What's up? DMC Tech.
DeLorean Tech.
That's right. That's right. DMC Tech is who we're honoring today.
So we're honoring DMC Tech Don Steger, who unfortunately passed away last weekend. We're here at Ruby's Diner. Gonna have some lunch. We've got how many DeLoreans we have out here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 DeLoreans. About half of the DeLoreans who showed up to the stainless steel tribute. It was 16, maybe 17 DeLoreans. Escorted carpenters. Hey, Video Bob. Yeah, we wish you could be here too, bud.
I just need something to clean my hands from working on Chad's car. Oh, there is? Oh, you can go in the back?
So what's up, Dustin? Hey, it's an awesome shirt, man.
Thanks.
That's cool. I definitely have to get that. Gotta plug it. DMC Talk? All right. I'll have to get one. Cool. Thanks, man. So what's next for your car, man? What's next for your car? Oh, yeah. No, for sure. Hey, Doc. Got anything to say?
This is just a sad day, but a happy day. We all got to pay tribute to a really great guy, Don Steger. This is the biggest gathering I've seen, but this man was worthy of that whole thing.
Thanks, man.
Now that we know that they are doing this, we can have a
No more than 10 of us. We're good. We're safe.
It's only 8 DeLoreans.
Yeah, it's only 8. You know, that rule applied to cars too, right?
when you told me they had 17 DeLoreans,
16. We had 17, not including the ones that were at Don's house. The actual parade. Was it 16 total? Okay. 16 and 16, you know, hey, you know. What a coinkydink.
This car was at Don's wedding.
That's right. What license plate did it have? You remember? Don't know?
Yeah, that's before my time.
Well, we got the video. I know Justin's was, but Justin's not here. So, I know mine wasn't. Mine wasn't sold until 84. So.
That's your bathroom. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly.
Is that Dom's first one?
Right.
Ken, he's right up there.
Nice. Love the scooter.
We got a special guest, Chris Miles, here today. So, Chris, how are things going, man? Yeah? Having fun?
A lot of people interested.
Hopefully all the cars start up.
Yeah, let's start. This is-
Hey, you guys stay with us.
I did it 14. I did it 14.
All right, guys. Thanks for helping us out. Thanks for organizing the event. I really appreciate you and Roland. I know Roland couldn't make it, but he was with us earlier. Yeah. Yep. Cool. All right, guys. Thank you.